Welcome, folks, to your fourth stimulus check. A little bit of talk about child tax credit, SSI, $200 extra a month income. But before we jump into this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell for future updates. Give this video a thumbs up and share it. Jump up and down on that like button, folks. All comments are welcome. Please leave a comment if you've received your $200 extra a month Social Security. I can't find too much on that, but we will talk about that here in a second. On your fourth stimulus check, it's still just in the talks, folks. Most of the talk that's going on is about the child tax credit, which they're considering as part of the fourth stimulus check package. A lot of talk on the child tax credit, but I've already went through that numerous times. Might do an update on it if some more information comes available. But as of now, it sits as if looks like folks will be getting some extra money in July if you have a child. Seems like the folks on Social Security are getting the short end of the stick here with all this pandemic and the money going out to help people getting going and infrastructure plan, etc., helping people get jobs. Folks on Social Security, I still don't see how they could live on the amount of income that they're getting. Some of them get very, very little amount a month. That has to be quite the struggle. And if you're on Social Security or SSDI and you received that extra $200 that they're talking about, please leave it in the comment section below. I've searched and looked through a lot of research on it, and I haven't found too much on it. But we'll talk about that here in a minute. In California here, we're still expecting, and some people have got it, the $600 California stimulus check, and they're talking about more. The proposal, just one part of Governor Gavin Newsom's $100 billion California comeback plan, has not yet become law, but Newsom hasn't wasted any time in selling his plans to millions of Californians, trying to get out like a second stimulus for the state of California, folks. $600 checks are coming to 2 to 3 of Californians, 2 out of 3. And if you have a kid now, you can benefit from an additional $500, Newsom said on Twitter Tuesday. That's pretty good, folks. It's been going on in California for a while here. Like I said, some folks have already received their $600 Golden State stimulus check. But now we're talking about a second round here in California. How much money would Californians get in a stimulus check? The proposal tax rebates would be up to $1,100. Individuals would get $600, and families with dependents would get an additional $500. Who would get the checks? Roughly 11 million Californians could see direct one-time payments under the plan, which targeted its middle class. California, and Newsom says that 78% of all tax filers in the state. Now, this was approved a while back, or discussed about. $200 a monthly benefit for all Social Security, veterans, and supplemental Social Security incomes, SSI, beneficiaries through the end of 2021, which would improve their way of living. But what I was understanding here is $200 a month for quite a few years. But I haven't seen too much on this, if it has happened or if it's still in the works, folks. Like I said, if you're on the Social Security or a veteran, let me know if you received that $200 extra a month. I guess you could say a raise or a boost. Again, folks, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smack that like button, and share it. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell. Take care, and most of all, be safe.